My true background is finance, computer science, and law. In law school, you learn to think different. You learn to listen more. Right? And so I've taken those approaches and those skills that I've learned and brought them into a framework, which we call the Business Intelligence Bullseye Framework. And these are things that you guys can take back to your teams and teach them. We want this to go massive. We want every company to start leveraging data and analytics properly, empowering IT and finance with information, empowering the organization, and more importantly, giving us all a better life, where everybody respects you more, they love your ideas, they come to you for the interesting projects, and we make you more money. So we're going to talk about the key components of business intelligence. That's people, processes, tools, and data. As I like to say, we're drowning in data and starving for insight. That's where our companies are. We're hoarding data, but we don't know how to use it. And until we learn the communication tools to connect with the end users and educate them why we need their help, we're not going to be able to clean up their data. Do you ever have a situation when somebody comes to you and says, okay, I have this problem. Now your brain's like, whew, I know where that data is. I have a little over here in SQL. I have a little over here in the spreadsheet. Okay, I can take that together and I can bring this. And you're building. You may be coding, right? Depending on your background. What happens though when your brain's doing that? It stops listening. And so we can't help it. Our brain just it starts going. And we have to kind of turn that off. I have to be in the moment. I have to be physically present, watching your body language and hearing what you're saying. It's not a normal place for all of us. We're thinking about what we're going to say next and how we're going to sound brilliant. So many people are fear failure. In our organization, everybody will tell you we fail all the time and we celebrate it. Because failures are the step closer to the right solution. Zach will tell you, I do it all the time, like, woo, guess what I screwed up today? I won't make that mistake again, right? I laugh about it because I'm growing. We want to hear your thoughts. We want to hear your voice. You guys have some great ideas. I want to hear them. So you don't kill any ideas. They're somewhere on the spectrum. But what you're going to find is someone's going to come up with an idea that you never even thought of. And by the way, that's going to be your moneymaker. Have you guys ever worked at a company or been on a sports team where you walk in and it just has that energy level, that vibe that everyone's like, yeah, I love work, and what are we going to create today? That's the culture you want to create. If you create your core list of values and you have people on the team that don't have those same values, you will not create that culture. What did I do yesterday? What am I working on today? And what are my hurdles? If you just implement that in your teams, you'll be amazed what happens. Just by being here already, you guys are way ahead of your peers. You're realizing that there's skills that may be out there that you don't have that you could learn and bring back to your company.